In another hadith, just to to link these two things up, that how critical they are, and what great loss there is to if we stay deprived from the blessings of month of Ramadan. Pay attention to this hadith. Rasulullah ﷺ said that, he didn't say, in fact he was once walking onto the member to offer the khutbah of Jummah, and as he took the first step he said Ameen, and as he took the second step he said Ameen, and he took the third step he said Ameen. So and then he went on, he gave the khutbah. When he came down, the Sahaba Ikram radiallahu ta'ala anhu, they asked that, Ya Rasulullah, is this something, a new order has come that now when you have to take the steps you would be saying Ameen? He said, no, something different happened today. Today when I was about to climb, Jibreel alayhi salam came and he made a dua and he asked me to say Ameen to that dua. So Sahaba Ikram said that, Ya Rasulullah, what was the duas that he made, and what did you say Ameen to? So he said that the first dua he made was that, cursed be the person who finds the month of Ramadan and does not use it to gain his forgiveness. And Jibreel Amin made this dua and Rasulullah ﷺ said Ameen to it. The next step, Jibreel alayhi salam, he made the dua that, cursed be the person who finds his parents in their old age and does not use it to gain his forgiveness. And Rasulullah ﷺ said Ameen to it. And the third one was that, cursed be the person in front of whom the name of Rasulullah ﷺ is taken and he does not offer his salawat on Rasulullah ﷺ. So this is a very, very serious matter. This is Jibreel alayhi salam, not an ordinary angel. If a dua was to be made by any ordinary angel, even then that would have been a very important dua. But this is a dua that is being made by Jibreel alayhi salam, the head angel. And Ameen on that is being said by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the best of the best of the best. So there is no doubt in this dua being accepted. And the dua is putting the curse of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on three people whose Ramzan go to waste, whose parents they can't take care of, or who do not have the adab of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.